Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Ollero. Today I am going to read you a story about Mr. Brown Can Moo. Can You? By Dr. Seuss. Book of a Wonderful Noises. Let's begin now. Mr. Brown Can Moo. Can You? By Dr. Seuss. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. He can go like a cow. He can go moo, moo. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? He can go like a bee. Mr. Brown can buzz. How about you? Can you go buzz, buzz? He can go like a cork. Pop, 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 pop. He can go like a horse feet. Clop, clop, clop. He can go eek, eek, like a squeaky shoe. He can go like a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. He can go like an owl. Hoo, 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 hoo. Eek, 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 eek. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Hoo, 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 hoo. How about you? He can go like the rain. Dibble, 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 dop. Dibble, 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 dop, dop, dop. He can go like a train. Choo, 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 choo. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Moo, moo. Buzz, buzz. Eek, eek. Hoo, hoo. Clop, clop, clop. Dibble, dibble, dop, dop. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? Mr. Brown can whisper, whisper, very soft, very high, like the soft whisper of a butterfly. Maybe you can too. I think you ought to try. He can go like a horn. Blurp, 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 blurp. He can go like a big cat drinking slurp. Slurp, slurp, slurp. He can go like a clock. He can tick, he can talk. Excuse me. He can go like a hand on a door. Tick, 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 tock. Knock, knock, knock. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Blurp, blurp. Like a slurp, slurp. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Knock, 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 knock. And a hoo, 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 hoo. He can sizzle, sizzle. He can do that too. Like an egg in a frying pan. How about you? Mr. Brown is smart as they come. He can do a hippopotamus chewing gum. Mr. Brown is so smart. He can even do this. He can even make a noise like a fish kiss, like a goldfish kiss. Boom, boom, boom. Mr. Brown is wonder. Boom, boom, boom. Mr. Brown makes thunder. He makes lightning splat, splat, splat. And it's very, very hard to make a noise like that. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Moo, moo. Buzz, buzz. Eek, eek. Ooh, ooh. Clop, clop, clop. Dibble, dibble, dop, dop. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Grum, grum, gum, grum. Choo, 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 choo. Boom, boom. Splat, splat. Tick, tick, tock. Sizzle, sizzle. Blurp, blurp. Knock, knock, knock. A slurp and a whisper. And a fish kiss too. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? That's the end of the story, boys and girls. I hope you enjoy the story. I'll see you next time again. This is Mrs. Ollero.